So are you ready for the AI automation testing apocalypse? Seriously, there's a lot of misinformation and myths out there about AI, especially in the testing space. And depending on where you get information, some people think that AI testing and AI automation is going to completely disrupt the space and make both development and testing obsolete. And you have the other extreme of people saying AI testing is all baloney, it's not even a real thing, and that there's nothing to be worried about. I think both of these folks are right. I was actually in a meeting recently at a vendor with some big names in the testing space like Dave Hefner, Jason Huggins, Simon Stewart, Jim Evans, Richard Bradshaw, and the topic of AI came up, and no one in that room with all that experience could even come up with a definition, a working definition, where everyone can agree about what even AI was other than magic. And what we ended up agreeing to, though, was that it was some sort of statistics software or software that uses statistics. And what's funny about that is this was a vendor that was trying to get their head around how AI is going to impact their space. And although AI definitely is being overhyped, especially in the testing space, I think it's a real thing. And I think there's going to be possible disruption coming up in the next few years around AI, especially its role within testing. So, what do you need to know now about AI testing, and what skills should you be working on to get ready for this new era of test automation? That's why I created the AI Summit Guild. It's going to be a one-day conference that brings together both vendors and real-world hands-on practitioners that's already experimenting with AI testing to give you the straight dope on what's going down within AI, the pros and cons, what it is, what it isn't, and what we see going forward with AI automation to get you up to speed so that you are not disrupted. I'm also working in conjunction with the Artificial Intelligence for Software Association to bring you this first of its kind summit. So we're going to have speakers with some of the newest AI testing tools out there. We have Dan Belcher from Mabel, who's going to be sharing his insights into QA roles and skills that you'll need to know and that probably will be in demand in this new era of testing. We also have Oren Rubin from Testim going over common issues that we see currently with CI/CD and how AI can actually help overcome a lot of those hurdles you're probably experiencing right now in your continuous delivery, continuous integration systems. And we also have Jason Aubrey from Test AI is going to show how AI can go over user flow verification and how AI soon will be your favorite teammate. And besides vendors, we have some real-world hands-on experts like Angie Jones from Twitter, who's going to explain to you exactly what machine learning is in a way that you will definitely understand. She's also going to cut through all the hype you may have heard about AI and give you the straight info that you need to know. No hype on what is machine learning, and also some possible vulnerabilities that AI is going to introduce that you need to know about as a tester. We have Tariq King, who's going to explain to you the reasons why he believes AI-driven testing will become mainstream a lot sooner than you think. We also have Jeff Meyer, who's going to take us on a testing journey into the age of smart assistants. After the Guild, you will have a clear understanding of the pros and cons of upcoming AI testing technologies and have a clear path forward to what the steps are for you and your teams that you'll need to take to adapt to this new AI revolution. So let's all get together and clear up all the hype and misunderstandings around AI. Hope to see you there. Make sure to register now below and experience AI automation awesomeness. Cheers.